Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. Today we will surprise your Chinese friend by telling them the time in Chinese language. And the good news is that we will learn it in a very easy way. We will learn only how to say it's 11 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock, it's 8 a.m., it's 9 p.m., etc. And not 11:13, half past 12, it's quarter to 4. No, we will not delve into that detail in today's lesson. And we will also learn Chinese counting from 11 to 20. No reading, no writing, just listening and speaking. Simply speak along with me, practice it, and that's it. Just ignore what's being shown on the screen. It is not important. Important is what I'm going to teach you today. So please subscribe my channel and let's go. First we will learn Chinese counting from 11 to 20. But let's have a quick revision of Chinese counting from 1 to 10. After this revision there will be a surprise for you. So let's revise Chinese counting from 1 to 10 and speak along with me. 一 二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、10. Let's repeat it once more. 一二三四五六七八九十. The last word 十 means 10 here. And now let's learn Chinese counting from 11 to 20, and there is a surprise for you. Simply add the sound 十 before 1, 2, 3. And that's it. It becomes 11, 12, 13, etc. As we have learned that 10 in Chinese is 十. So 11 actually is 10 plus 1. So it is 十一. 12 is 10 plus 2. So it is 十二. Then 13, 十三. 14, 十四. 15, 十五. 16, 十六. 17, 十七. 18, 十八. 19, 十九. And since 20 is 2 multiplied by 10, so 20 is 二. 十 means there are 2 tenths. And that's it. It is easy, isn't it? Yes, so please give me a thumbs up. You can also rewind this portion again and again and speak yourself so that Chinese counting comes on your tongue today. Once more, I will repeat from 11 to 20. Just repeat along with me. 十一、十二、13、14、 15、16、17、18、19、20. So now we are quite capable of telling time in Chinese from 1 to 20. So how to ask what's time now? In Chinese it is 现在几点? 现在 means now and 几点 means what time. 几 is a counting word. It is anything from 1 to 10 normally. And the word tian has multiple meanings like a point, but here it is for time. So 现在几点 means what's time now? You will simply replace the word 几 with the counting. For example, 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14, etc. So how to say it is 1 o'clock? It is 现在1点. And how to say it is 3 o'clock? 3 o'clock is 3点, 3点, and 4 o'clock is 4点, 4点. Now you might be thinking that what is 2 o'clock then? To tell the time in Chinese 2 o'clock, we will say 2点, and we will not use the word er because er is digit 2 and it is only for 2, not for 12 or 20, etc. So 2 o'clock is 2点. It is 2 o'clock. 现在2点. So how to tell the time from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock? Just repeat with me. 1点, 2点, 3点, 4点, and 5点. And from 6 to 10. 6点, 7点, 8点, 9点, and 10点. And do you remember how to say 11 and 12 in Chinese? 11 is 11点 and 12 is 12点. Now finally we will learn how to say before noon and afternoon. Means before 12 o'clock and after 12 o'clock in daytime. Roughly speaking, from 9 a.m. to midday, it is before noon. So we use the word 上午. So 上午means before noon or late morning. So if you want to say 10 a.m., it is 上午10点. 9 a.m. 上午9点. 11 a.m. 上午11点. 12 p.m. 上午 12点. Now after that we use the word 下午 instead of 上午. Alright? 下午一点 means 1 p.m. 下午2点 means 2 p.m. 下午3点下午5点 5 p.m. And how to say 6 p.m.? It is 下午6点. In later lessons, we will also learn in detail how to tell the time. Today's lesson is sufficient for today. You may replay this video to have more and more practice. How ma means okay. How the means okay. So if you have any question or suggestion, please write it down in comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is new. It needs your support, please. Please give me a thumbs up as well. Now let's play our next video.